Welcome to Adobe Photoshop for absolute beginners, the perfect starting point for anyone eager to dive into the exciting world of digital image manipulation and graphic design. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer power and possibilities that Adobe Photoshop offers, fear not, this course is tailor-made for you. Whether you're a hobbyist looking to enhance your personal photos or an aspiring designer seeking to develop essential skills, our step-by-step approach will demystify the software and empower you to create stunning visuals with confidence. Join us as we embark on a journey to unravel the magic of Photoshop, one click at a time. No prior experience required, just your enthusiasm and a willingness to learn. In this comprehensive Adobe Photoshop for Absolute Beginners course, you will get acquainted with Photoshop's layout, menus, panels, and tools, ensuring you're comfortable with the software's basic structure. Learn how to use fundamental tools such as the brush, selection, and text tools, empowering you to start creating and editing images right away. Understand the concept of layers and how they allow you to organize and manipulate different elements of your designs independently. Dive into basic photo editing techniques, including cropping, resizing, adjusting brightness and contrast, and removing imperfections. Discover how to enhance and correct colors in your images using adjustment layers and various color correction techniques. Unleash your creativity by adding text to your designs, exploring different font styles, formatting options, and text effects. Learn to create simple graphics, banners, and social media posts using shapes, gradients, and other design elements. Explore a variety of filters and effects to add artistic flair to your images and designs. Delve into retouching techniques to improve portraits and eliminate imperfections while maintaining a natural look. Understand the concept of masks and how they allow for non-destructive editing, giving you more control over your adjustments. Apply your skills to practical projects, from editing photos to creating basic digital artwork, ensuring hands-on experience. Discover efficient workflows, keyboard shortcuts, and best practices to speed up your editing and design process. By the end of this course, you'll have gained the foundational knowledge needed to confidently use Adobe Photoshop, opening up a world of creative possibilities for personal and professional projects. Whether you're an absolute beginner or someone looking to refresh their skills, this course will set you on the path to creating impressive visuals with ease.